Hey guys, Paul from Green Dragon Hydroponics. Here today. I just wanted to give you an update on the peppers. It's definitely been a few weeks, maybe about a little over 2 weeks, I think, since we transplanted these into 1 gallon pots. I'm going to turn it around and show you where we're at now. So these ones on the left are the Chinese 5-color peppers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those, and then the rest are the Peruvian Aji Charapitas peppers. I think overall the temperature has been pretty good for these. Only problem I've been having is with the humidity. That I think we've been more around like 45 to 50, where in the first few weeks of vegetative, I think it's better for 70 to 80% if you can. The 5 colors seem to have been strong and stable all throughout. They're growing a pretty strong stem, and they seem pretty happy and relaxed. I think the aji peppers are a little bit more. They had a little bit more stress than the 5 colors. You can see the leaves are a little bit kind of curling up at the edges, and I think this is more signs of the humidity issues. I do come in and spray them down like once or twice a day when I can, but still it's tough sometimes with new space or just the time of the year to get a really humid environment. I did do this DIY humidifier. Drilled holes in the side of the bucket and then just put a fan on top with this is a humidifier filter. I'm actually out right now, out of water, so that may be one reason why it's a little bit dry in here, but definitely helps to use something like that. If not, you could fill up trays underneath, not sitting in water, but underneath the plants to evaporate water helps. Like I said in the previous video, we used a mix of Light Warrior and Ocean Forest soil. I think my only complaint about that is that I did put the Ocean Forest in the bottom, and I've been bottom feeding since they were stable from the transplant. Yeah, my only complaint is that it is pretty dense soil, so I think I should have lightened it up a little bit, or at least mixed a little bit more of the Light Warrior in there. So otherwise it's looking pretty good, and I think they'll be good. They'll make it through these first couple weeks, and tweaking the environment a little bit and just about working with my space to dial in the temps and humidity, and yeah, I'm looking forward to watching these ones grow. So I got one more video coming up shortly. It's the final space, the grow room space, after we've been working. I think I've done a 4 or 5 part series now on building out the grow room, doing ventilation and everything like that. So this last one I'll be showing you with all the lights and everything, the light mover, T5s, the LED, and possibly one more light, we'll see. But check us out on the next one. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, or check us out on Facebook, and our website is greendragonhydroponics.com. All right, hope to see you then.